I need to make money. I'm open to any job there is, digging ditches even.
Looks like you've already dug one.
So guys, I finally watched Margot's Got Money Problem from Apple TV Plus, and honestly I had a really good time with it. This show tells us a story about Margot, who is a college freshman and she is a very good writer. But her life get completely upside down when she involved into an affair with her professor and got pregnant and decided to keep the baby. This show is also about responsibilities, relationships and family support, and with a lot, I mean a lot of nudity. So it is definitely not for the kids. But despite all that, I am enjoying every bit of this show. The family dynamics, the humor, and the chaos that follows Margot everywhere throughout the story, and making it really entertaining to watch. The story of this show is really gripping because when I started watching the first episode, it was almost midnight, and before I knew it, it was almost morning, and I was in 5.5 episode into the series. So when I realized what time it is, I instantly put my phone down and went to sleep. And all of this happened last Saturday. Then I got caught up with so many new movies. There was From, Euphoria. These last couple of days was packed with the awesome content, and that is why I didn't had the chance to finish the show. And after 3 days, I finally came back and watched the final 2.5 episode and finished the whole show. And after finishing the whole show, I think it is fair to say that this show is absolutely worth watching. One thing I really like about this show, that this show is not only about Margot and her money problems. It is also about a dysfunctional family that genuinely loves and support each other despite all the problems in their personal life, and the chemistry of these characters was really wholesome to watch. So if you are thinking about watching this show, what you should expect is the journey of Margot and the people around her, her family, her friend, and all the chaos that follows her around everywhere. The show and the character of it are so interesting that when nothing huge or groundbreaking is happening, the show somehow keeps you invested in these characters and their lives. You don't get bored watching this entire show. Now, one advice I want to give you before you jump into this show: do not watch this show with your family, not even by the mistake, because there is a lot of nudity in the show. And I'm not saying that the nudity is forced into the script. It is a crucial part of the script and it never felt forced, but there was some moment that while I was watching, I felt a little bit weird because I don't know any person who FaceTime with their friends while they are naked in the bathtub and having a bath, or just sitting around naked in their apartment, and their friends are just coming and going from there and here, and that was a little bit weird for me. Other than that, the nudity is not forced into the story. It is a crucial part of the whole show and the script and the story of Margot's life. So if we talk about my favorite part from this whole show, it was most probably be the last 3 episodes of this show. They were funny, they were emotional, and at some time they were a little bit scary too. And another thing that I really loved about this show, and I never expected to watch it in this show, that Nicole Kidman was in the show, and I didn't knew anything about that, and that was a surprise for me, and it was a really good surprise because Nicole Kidman is one of my favorite actress. I love her work, and I think I have seen a lot of movies and TV shows of her. I mean, the show itself is so interesting and so awesome that I had a really good time watching. And then you put Nicole Kidman in the show, that was like a cherry on the top. It was amazing. So my final verdict: overall, I really enjoyed the whole show. It was fun, emotional, wholesome, and entertaining as hell. The journey of Margot and everyone around her kept me invested from the beginning till the end. I loved every bit of this show. So I think Margot's Got Money Problem was definitely worth watch. So guys, these are my thoughts and the opinion of this show. If you guys have seen it, so please write a small review about it in the comment box. I would love to know what you guys think about this show. And if you haven't, so if you wanna have some good time and have fun, so you should try it. It is definitely a worth watch. So that's all in this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.